Introducing Tools HQ 7-pin trailer wiring harness kit. Our prompt delivery from Canada, so you won't have to wait long to get your project underway. Plus, with our best price guarantee and the option for customized products tailored to your expectations, you can trust that you're making a smart investment. Your ultimate solution for reliable and efficient trailer wiring. The pre-assembled 7-way design ensures that all essential connections, tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, and more are effortlessly accommodated, providing a hassle-free wiring solution for your trailer. Our weatherproof junction box, protecting your electrical connections from water, dust, and other environmental factors. No need to be a wiring expert. Our ready-to-connect pre-wired plug with factory-installed spark-proof crimped ring terminals is a user-friendly design for quick and hassle-free installation. Whether you're towing a boat, camper, horse trailer, or utility trailer, our 7-wire trailer cable is designed to meet your diverse towing needs. Explore our full range of innovative solutions at Tools HQ and elevate your experience today.